Moni, come! Hi everyone, welcome to this new vlog. Right now it's about a bajillion degrees here in Belgium, and I'm kind of torturing myself by filming this intro because the longer I wait to go to the supermarket, the warmer it will get. Today was a really weird day so far. It's a Monday. I usually start vlogs on Monday because then Avery goes to work and then I switch from talking to him to talking to my camera. I already woke up before 7 a.m. and then I decided to finish my book. A really great book, I really loved it. And then I wanted to take a nap, but I have sleep paralysis, so I had like 2 hours of a really weird dreams. I just took a shower because it's so hot. I went on holiday a week ago with Avex and my family. It's like this yearly almost tradition, and I made a little montage. We bought an action cam because we actually wanted to go swimming, but we never ended up going to go swimming to the pool we planned. So I decided to just use that action cam to film our whole trip and make a little montage of it because I think I'm just lazy and I didn't want to fully edit the videos or like talk when we were on holiday. I just kind of wanted to chill, but I think the montage turned out really cute either way, so I can show that montage to you after this intro. Also about Ko-Fi, my Ko-Fi page, because my last vlog was about starting a Patreon or Ko-Fi page without any engagement. I still don't have any engagement. So I actually put a goal on my Ko-Fi page to hit 50 euros because that's around the costs for 1 month of rewards for the memberships I had planned. And we actually hit the goal. So there were 6 people who supported, which is super awesome, and I decided to ask their address and send them a little gift in return. Actually today I wanted to go to the print shop to get some more prints, but it's way too hot for that, so I don't know if I will do that. But I have a few small letters I need to pack. That sounds very weird. And to send to those people, so I will show that in this video as well. I'm super excited. Some people asked, now that I've hit that goal of 50 euros, if I will launch the memberships and stuff like that, but to be honest, I'm super stressful because I still have to do a lot of admin and government related stuff.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours all, but you fill me up and I can feel it now. Like a camel through the needle, everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were.
Yummy! Hi guys, I hope you really enjoyed that simple montage of my holiday.
If you want to succeed with your art, you have to be aggressively into it. You have to shove it in people's faces. Look at it! Look at what I drew!
I just packed some thank you cards, envelopes for the people who donated on my Ko-fi page, and I made a funny reel. But my table cover looks extremely gross. I promise I clean it every day, but you know, it gets a bit old. I haven't packed orders in over a year, I think. So it felt really good to do it again. These weren't ordered, by the way, they were just like a thank you. We gaan het zelf hebben. Yay! It's now over a bajillion degrees here in Belgium and we just went for a walk in the evening. I also dyed my hair today, finally. So my hands are purple. I also practiced my portrait skills, I guess. And I drew a portrait of my best friend. I'm working on a kind of a catalog thingy for my commissions so that it's easier for people who want to commission me, that they can see what the options are. Also, someone donated on my Ko-fi page and they didn't want me to send the rewards to them, but I don't accept that. And she was like, maybe you can do a giveaway, and then she donated again so that I can do the giveaway and send her her rewards. So yeah, I was just super excited about that. And yeah, I think I'll post a little giveaway on Instagram maybe this week or next week. My hair looks crazy. Hey guys, I'm extremely exhausted. I have so much stuff to do that I can't handle and I actually just want to take a nap. But I just went to the print shop and got these prints. Look how cute these are. These are the bags. So I got these printed. Now I have some extra postcards as well. Let's do this! Can you hear how loud my laptop is? Because it's so old. I'm going to have to drink a normal Coke. I normally don't drink normal Cokes because my heart rate is exceptionally high always because of my anxiety, but I think I need it today. I've been wondering, the person who did their donations twice, I really insisted that they got their envelope with rewards, and I was like, I hope that wasn't too intrusive. Like, take my art even if you don't want to. Oh well. A lot. I love seeing this. I haven't packed orders in like forever, so this is probably why I'm so motivated lately. This is one of my older stickers that I ordered with my previous branding. It was this color mainly. So yeah, I'm going to use the stickers, of course. If I can still use them, then I will. It's such a mess here, I know. These stickers have like weird marks on them, but you can just take them off, I think, from when it was cut out. At least that's what Evert said. Here are all the cards that I'm going to send out. so many envelopes. I'm excited for people to receive my art. I'm constantly doing this. Very good for my posture. Maar waarom maak je dat? Hi everyone, so we're back from the Potlood Fantastic Festival and I bought a few things. Actually, we bought a few things because David also bought something. And I'm going to show you now before I go back because I want to do a workshop, but I'm kind of scared only children will participate in the workshop and I will be the only adult participating. But there's also pizza, so okay. The first thing we bought at two artist stands. This is the first one. This is a super cute pin and I kind of resonated with it. This is a super cute pin and I kind of resonated with this pin. I think it kind of looks like me. And I have two super cute stickers. Cute. And we have this Riso print, super big Riso print. Well, it's actually bigger than I thought. It's really nice. We'll probably hang it up maybe in our living room or something. We both like this print. It's number 45 of 60. So that is this print, and then we also bought another print that I'll have to be very careful with. Because it's like, I don't know, it was a special printing technique that I don't know about, but you can't touch the ink, so I'm gonna be very careful. It's packed in so many layers. Oh my god. Here it is. It's really nice. Will probably also be hung up in our living room. And that was everything we bought. I also really wanted to buy two clay like flower or incense holder stuff, but they already were sold and I was very sad about it, so I'll probably buy it in the future if she remakes the clay things. And now I'm going to pack up this print again. So I decided to just stay home and end the vlog here because we have some other plans this week, but I think the vlog will be too long eventually. So I'm going to end the vlog here and I hope you really liked the vlog. Comment what you think about Mona in this clip. And check out my other videos as well. And subscribe and like. And
turn on notifications.
And turn on notifications, yes. Bell, click the bell. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, bye bye.
Check out